In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GameSir Nova Lite to PC Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Nova Lite is a multi-platform controller that is compatible with PCs. So if you have a desktop, if you have a laptop, regardless of what PC you have, you will be able to connect it over Bluetooth and use it fully wirelessly. Of course, make sure that it is sufficiently charged before starting, so if needed, use the provided USB cable to charge your controller, and after it is sufficiently charged, in order to establish a Bluetooth connection, first make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your PC or laptop. So access Bluetooth and devices and enable it. Now, choose the option to add a device, and to make sure that the GameSir Nova Lite appears on the list of available devices, press and hold the GameSir button alongside the B button. So when you press both of these buttons down simultaneously for a couple of seconds, the LED should flash blue, indicating that it is now in pairing mode. So if you see some form of LED flash blue, this indicates that it is ready to be paired over Bluetooth. So by doing this, the controller will now look for nearby devices to pair with, and it is going to appear on the list of available devices here on Windows. So all that you have to do now is choose the option to connect your GameSir controller. It is simple to do, and all that you need is to enable Bluetooth on your PC. Then press and hold the GameSir and the B button simultaneously for a couple of seconds. If this doesn't work, make sure that the controller is not pairing with something else automatically around the room, so other devices that might be compatible like a Nintendo Switch, and make sure that it is sufficiently charged. If it doesn't have battery, it will not establish a connection. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, I want to highlight something that I noticed in channel metrics. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. If you would like to help us, please consider subscribing. If this video was of any help, I highly count on your subscription. It helps us make higher quality videos and bring you the most up-to-date solutions to your problems. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.